We have a lot of food tonight. So this is part one. My wife already ate. My daughter ate. My son ate. So this is basically for me and my mom here. I got my salad. You're probably like, why do you even bother with this, right? Salad. I got chicken parmesan. And where's the pasta on the go? Pasta's over there. We got the pasta. Let me see. Nice. Looks good. This is called fusilli pasta. That's just chicken for the dogs, if you're wondering. So we're going to eat good tonight. Already got some fusilli here. That's out of sight. With some ricotta, baby. Ricotta. And some Parmesan cheese and a little sauce. Can't go wrong.